Hello, 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 boys and girls. Yes, binary time. Yes. In the edition of today's newspaper of Monday, August the 8th, 2022, we have here in this edition 7 extra puzzles, but 4 of them I will solve. The Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars I've already solved. Well, is this really 3 stars? It's a 1 star. Anyway, but 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. And it's time for the binary. Yes, binary time. This one will be number 4982. Before I start, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O. Oh, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Now I'm double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah, now I'm stuck, I think. Now I need to think, or compare. Well. Okay. Let me see. Do we have here double ones here? No. Okay. Yeah. Well, if I compare this one and that one, 1 empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, well, in this row we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be this should be a 1. Here we have 3 ones. Same story, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have here 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Need to compare again. Do we have a double O? Yes, the first column and this column. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 1, 1. Empty box, O. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes. Quick to solve. This binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet you again in a minute with the last puzzle, tectonic cyber block with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.